Here's the bag there.
Shorty. Hey, Shorty. Up. Oh. Oh no.
Okay. Hello po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is June 22, Sunday. Let's go to church. Majinit. Ilan ang degrees? 36 degrees?
Yeah.
Init. Officially summer ng 20 here in Ottawa.
46 ata.
Sobrang init. The following days, magpo 40. Plus humid. Uy, ano yan de?
Eskwelahan na.
Rakun? Rakun?
May paralis siya?
Maybe.
May paralis alay?
May paralis siya.
May paralis siya siguro.
Ganyan ang dula-lulul kasi din eh.
Let's go. Mainit de?
It's hot.
It's hurt.
It hurts. What hurts?
Maybe Jaden touch her. Oh, see, baby touch.
Kasi alam mo naman.
Yeah. Where are we going?
And for your friends?
Play with your friends. Yes, and Joey. Yes.
And listen to stories.
And sing.
Listen to stories and then you sing. Your teacher? Okay, finish your milk so you will not be hungry. And you play with your friends.
Tapos may madala siya nagising. Hindi siya nakakain ng rice. Wala pa siyang gana. Gusto mo ng salamende? Dito na kami. Ay, hindi, wala pa pala. Maglalakad pa. Init sobra talaga. Naya, wait for us. Hi ka daw. Hi. Oh, hold mamang's hand. Dad, dalhin mo yung santela. Eh, nasisilaw siya. Nasisilaw siya. Takip na takip. Let's go. Jaden! Jaden, my love! Aga tayo ah.
Hanapan man niya maningan sini. Tangi mamaligwa.
Jaden, love, love!
Maning man niya manapamanyatang.
Jaden, love, love!
See that? Are you on today?
Jaden!
Didit daw.
Jaden! Daddy! Ang init, maginit. Basta yung church, nakapag-change na rin ng diaper si Janaya. Nakapag-change na siya ng long sleeve. Pina-t-shirt na siya ni Daddy. Hindi yung lako. Siya na Daddy. Right there. Basta na mamang. May free book si Janaya from Sunday School. Meron din tong mga materials nila Hi Naya! Are you done with church? And play with friends? Oo. Kaya pa yan, Dad? Sorry. What's that? What's that? There's something?
That's something. It's my bracelet.
No, no. Ha? Wow! Grabe ka. Siyempre, tambutsyuna.
Wow.
Is that your book?
Yes.
Blane, kaya pa yan door, yung car. And dimdum.
Bracelet.
Sina mamang. Jaden! Jaden! Oy! Oy! Jaden! Why? Jaden! Aya? Where are you going? Naya, where are we going? Buy your shoes? Naya, go to Daddy na. Right here, on the other side. Over here. Oh, hold it. Oh, sit na. Ang init. Hindi na heater ang bumubuga sa sasakyan. Air condition na. And aircon. Lamig. Grabe. Init.
Mangating ka pang kaya. Itong velcro at etiket.
Ate.
Diba?
Why? Nailan ka?
I-adjust ko yung headrest ng baby.
Para?
Pati na yung car seat.
Limit ng car seat niya. Limit na car seat niya. Why you still need that?
Do you know the way?
Yeah.
Yung diretso kaya ito.
Yeah.
Yung cost ko na.
Yeah.
No, matamaan yung ice na walo mo. Nakurin mo rin yung mata.
Mary Vale Sport Check. Di ba doon mas maraming maganda?
Yeah.
Compare sa Celora.
Yeah.
Kaya natin ang shoes si Janaya. Kasi yung pang park na shoes niya maliit na. Tsaka bili rin tayo ng hat.
Wally will get through.
Balik na rin yung hat niya.
Let's put them together. 3 is 4. What is 4, 3?
You want to ride there? You don't have coins. It's a small boat. It's a boat. You want to go in, you want to go up? Go ahead. Go. You can do it. Yeah, go ahead. And drive. Whoa! Let me take a picture. I know, eh? The one you see in your iPad, eh? Si Jaden, shopping. Let's go. Oh, look at where you're heading. Let's go to Sport Check. Kailan natin ng shoes si Janaya. Pero sabi ni shoes, I don't need one. I have shoes. Naya, come. Yeah, it's a golf. Come here. Shoes, Naya. Try mo yung ayun. Try mo yun, no? Yung Skechers. Yeah. Pang park.
Pang park?
Ay. Yeah.
Ano ba rin pang park yan? Pag nakuha pa rin yan?
I think so. Hi, Jaden, my love. How are you, Jaden? Jaden. Jaden. Mommy is there. Naya, no, you cannot.
What do you? You want this one? You love it?
Oh, ganda rin dito, oh. Kaya matigas.
Kulang mo ito lang?
Oh, pang park.
Wow, kasi nung hindi ka yan, sabi tuli.
May pang park. Yeah, no? Ayaw mo yung Skechers?
Okay lang. Yun.
Ano yan?
Which one you want? This one?
You want this one? Oh. Oh, there's light.
Yeah, something.
Oh. There's light. Oh.
Ito yung pag-park nga, yun ang bago niya. Bakit parang pangit? Hindi ko siya trip.
Yan. Aliyakin. Ayan masanting. Ayasting. Aliyasting.
Try?
Ito, pwede rin to. Pag-park.
Mas astig.
Pang-park lang naman.
Okay, happy.
No? Pang-park. Yung kaya niyang, ano, gamitin. Okay.
Pang-park yan mo naman.
Naya, can I try this? Naya, anong size? Size 8?
Oo. Talungin mo si ano, yung nagtitinda dito.
Let's try.
Jaden, love, love. May papel pa?
Wow, it's beautiful.
Kalat naman dito.
Lulubing yung dila na. Kaya mo na may dulo na na to. Uy, kaya ne, maliwalas siya pa ne.
Wow, pretty.
Something.
Oh, ganda.
Masanting ya, wow. Astig ya, wow. Something ya, I like it.
Something.
Something ya. Oh.
Beautiful?
Okay, we'll buy it.
Beautiful?
We'll ask for the pair.
You're back as a for you.
For you.
Where? Where?
This?
Ay, Yung mana ini, oh, I'll show to daddy and mommy.
You want to wear this so you can play in the water? Yes.
And goggles. Goggles.
Goggles. Goggles. Wow. Yes. So let's go. Ito pa?
Walang bucket hat?
Wala to din.
Baka sa Walmart meron.
Ano mo pwedeng sali lala?
Grabe siya.
Yes. That's for daddy? No. Daddy cannot wear that. That's too small.
Baka yung betting suit niya doon, malit na.
Ano technical dito?
Pero kapang
Ayoko naman ng ano, nakapanty siya.
Yeah.
Saan? Tama ka short.
Tang balang
Yeah.
natin yung palda.
Wow. Bangera tayong ing-ing na ba?
Tang makapalda is tayong palda yan.
Paano tayo natin pa?
Wah, tang rapos-rapos sa tayo na. Ang balang natin yan. Ay, short na naman pala yun. Eh, tang panting makanti yan.
Ano?
No head? Why it has no head?
Ano?
Tara?
Ano ko niya?
Oo. Wala kaya doon? Hat para sa mga bata?
Mama,
May nahanap kami. May nahanap kami yung bucket hat pero ayaw ko siya.
Gusto rin niya rin.
May banyo dyan. Naya! Dance ka daw? Paano daw dance? Yeah. This one. For exercise. And dancing and yoga. Galing ni Jaden ah. Shoppers. Ito tayo ng Marshall. Let's go.
It's amazing. It's so cute.
Naya! Juno! Woy! Woy! Si Jaden, tulog. Jaden, tulog. Si Daddy nasa car na. Pina-under na yung sasakyan para lumamig na, hindi na mainit. Para pagdating namin, alis na kami. Bili pa kami ng luya sa TNT. What do you want to eat today?
Rice and ham.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
Ham and rice.
Rice? You want rice?
Yeah. What's up?
She wants rice daw, Mom. Let's go. Daddy's waiting. No, Naya. Wait for me. Come over here. Hold my hand. Oopsie. Oopsie. Ini si Daddy. Andun. Sa parking. Parking lot. Okay, let's go. Get off. Naya, no! We're in parking lot. Nako. Hold my hand. So, naiwan na ako kay Jaden para hindi na siya maistorbo sa kanyang sleep. Sinamamang na lang at si Janaya at saka si Daddy pumunta ng TNT. Kita ba? TNT. Para naka-under na yung sasakyan, hindi na kailangan palamigin. Pili lang sinamamang ng gulay. Oras na ba? 1:45 na ng hapon. Naghahanap kami ng bucket hat, pero wala. Sa Walmart na lang siguro kasi mali na rin yung yung hat ni Janaya.
No, no.
No, no.
Wiggle.
You go up with Daddy.
There we go.
Jaden. What time is it? 9 o'clock na de. 9:15 na ng gabi. So, kanina nakauwi kami. Mga bandang 3. Hindi na ako nag-vlog. Kasi pare-parehong gutom. Pagkain namin chicken. Kasi bumili si Daddy ng papakis. Ay, nako. Nandaman kami ng Timis. Then, pina-sleep ulit si Jaden. Si Janaya din nag-sleep. Si Daddy ang nag-sleep. Nede. Isang oras din. Puyat pa more. Tapos, pumunta si na Daddy sa park. Sama si Janaya. Di na kami sa mama. Para hindi mainitan si Jaden.
Yeah.
Mainit. Sobra. Naya, nagpunta ka ng park, Naya? Did you go to the park? You go to the park?
Yes.
What did you do? What did you do to the park? Careful, my love. What did you do to the park? Did you slide? Did you play with the sand?
Yes.
What else?
You was.
What else you did? Did you find friends? Did you play with friends?
Yes.
Yes.
You put me Jaden.
Oh.
Jaden is chop. Good.
Kilamos na to si Janaya. Sleep na. Naantok ka na. Si Daddy. Anong oras kaya matutulog, Daddy? Anong oras ka matutulog? We're gonna sleep. What time we're gonna sleep? Sigurado. Sigurado. Naya, it's dirt. Nako, dirty. Get up. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Please like. What are you gonna say? Please like. Silly Naya. What are you gonna say? Please like,
Yay.
subscribe,
Share.
and share.
Share.
Can I see your face?
No, I'm not seeing my face. Bye.
Oh, bye ka na. Hindi ka man nakita. Bye na. Bye.
Bye.
See your face. Bye.
Bye.
Look at here. Look at here. Bye.